Exercise. Select the best homophone to complete the sentences. Select the best homophones to complete the sentences. The dash sets in the west. The dash sets in the west. Brackets, sun, sun, and sun.
Sun.
Dash gugwa bugwanjuba. Dash gugwa bugwanjuba.
Omusana.
The apple is very dash. The apple is very dash. In brackets, sweet, sweet.
Sweet.
Apple yo dash inyo. Apple yo dash inyo. In brackets, ewoma, ewonya. Ewoma, ewonya.
Ewoma.
Okay. Can you dash it? Can you dash it? In brackets, see, see. See, see.
See?
Okay. Osobola gwe dash cho. Osobola gwe dash cho. Brackets, ennyanja okukiraba. Ennyanja okukiraba.
Okukilaba.
Okay. Translate the pronouns to Luganda. Translate the pronouns to Luganda. Kyusa nakasigirwa mu Luganda. Kyusa nakasigirwa mu Luganda. He. He.
Yeah.
Okay. Eat. Eat.
Kyo.
Okay. We. We.
Fi.
Okay. Them. Them.
Bo.
Okay. Has. Has.
Kiki.
Yours. Yours.
Kikyo.
Number 3. What is a noun? What is a noun?
Is a name of anything.
Okay. And what is it in Luganda? Can you translate that in Luganda? Okay. State 2 examples of uncountable nouns. State 2 examples of uncountable nouns. Wandiika amannya 2 ag'ebintu ebitabalwa. Wandiika amannya 2 ag'ebintu ebitabalwa. Igi, omuka. And what is it in English? Okay. Sukari. What is it in English? You have omuka as one of the answers. Sukari. So translate those in Luganda. Okay. Number 5. What names are these days called in English and Luganda? What names are these days called in Luganda? What names are these days called in Luganda? What days, what names are these days called in Luganda? Mannya ki ennaku zino geziyitibwa? Mannya ki ennaku zino geziyitibwa? Sunday. Sunday.
Wangu.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Walumbe.
Thursday. Thursday.
Kiwanuka.
Friday. Friday.
Nagawonye.
Number 6. Form sentences using these words. Form sentences using these words. Kola emboozi nga okozesa ebigambo bino. Kola emboozi nga okozesa ebigambo bino. Number 1. Ekitabo. Book. Ekitabo. Book.
I am reading a book. Zendi mukusoma kitabo.
Okay. Ensawo. Bag. Ensawo. Bag. Amata. Milk. Amata. Milk. Cup. Ekikopo. Cup. Ekikopo. Okay, thanks very much. Hope you've passed the exercise. Try it out for that second time. Bye bye. Wait,